Hello everyone, my name is Dipanshu Dubey. I would like to share my experience with Vision that helped me to get placed at Microland. First of all, I would like to thank the entire team for their continuous support and guidance. Throughout the process, they provide proper training, conduct mock tests and give their proper guidance, which really helped me prepare well. Along with this, they also provide learning sessions where I got basic knowledge of administration, networking, Linux and Windows. These sessions are very helpful in building my career or technical understanding. I also appreciate how they guidance me from time to time for and support me at every steps and boost my confidence a lot. I am very happy to share that I have been selected for the Service Desk L1 support role, and the consulting team played a very important role in this achievement. I would especially thank to Priya ma'am, Pooja ma'am for their continuous support and motivation. I would highly recommend Vision to start your career in IT support. Thank you so much for your all support.